Good morning everyone, welcome to AeginaCraft. In this video I collected all of my offcuts and I will make medallions and necklaces from them because they've been just around and just putting them, I'll be just putting them all over the place, so they've been in the way and it is high time that I use them for something good. Now some of them are beech, some of them are white oak, and some of them are still beech. Lol. Well, I have to learn that I can't record on the sun anymore because my phone was overheating. So please use your imagination. I done these and I'm gonna make a few more just to give you an example of how things go. So this is how basically I shape these things out. I'm gonna finish up the rest and then we're gonna move on to how to finish it up and how to make it look nice and smooth. Alright, so we are back in the shop. I made the square one. I made this one, which is, this side is clear, this side is orange. This is an orange one as well. That's gonna be a small green one. It's a blue one. I need to clean this up in the end. This is a blue, green, teal kind of deal. And this is a complete green as well. And I think that is all I made right now because it's just way too hot out there and I just want to put some out in the shop. So I got this drill bit in, and simple as, this is a wood drill bit, you can see, because it has this, it's pointy, yes, pointy more scary. Am I doing it right? What the fuck? Oh, it already went through. Okay, so that's one. I like to enlarge the edges, like so. Makes it easier to put it together. Okay, well, this looks good. Oh, I'm sweating bullets here. What is it? 32 degrees. Fucking amazing. I need a few new drill bits, I realized. Okay. It's going to be a sideway. Mind you, I've been using this drill bit for about 10 years now, so I think it's time I get a new one. The problem is I have to push it very hard to go through. Harder than usual, actually. And it smokes a lot. So I think it's time that I let these ones go. And I got them from B&Q, from the British budget store, like Home Depot and shit. They were the cheapest, but they lasted a decade, so no complaints. You know what, this is gonna be like this too. Alright, so we got them holes. Figure it out. Okay. Okay, good. Now, it's time to take them in the shop, send them to 220 grit, and give them a coat of varnish and see what's what. Alright, so I moved on to the terrace and I am pushing these guys on this ceramic sanding disc. I just put a few of these and I think they're pretty good. I still can't decide if it's better than an actual sandpaper or not. Debating it. Thing is, you can keep it clean very easily. You just slap them and, you know, dust just goes through like so. So this is what I done. So I just push it and pull it on it. Simple as that. So I get the bigger grooves out. Focus, you animal. There you go. So now this is sanded up to 220. It's pretty smooth. This is 220. This is still needs some sanding. So I'm just gonna do this, but it's pretty hard with one hand. So anyway, I get it to this smoothness, and I just clean it with some isopropyl alcohol, and we're gonna bring it in the shop and spray it with some acrylic varnish, and then gonna learn how to tie some strings onto them. Yeah, see you then. All right, and I'm back. we are back in the shop. I'm turning the fan on because it's fucking hot up here. Okay, so I have set up these little boys. All of them are sanded up to 220-ish. And the plan is that I will apply about 3 coats of cheap ass acrylic varnish onto them. Okay, and I'll try to go around them in a circle like that, you know, and apply it evenly on every side. And in the end, I'm gonna apply a couple of coats on the top or on the bottom, whatever it sits on right now. So I'm just gonna do some shake. And you shake the varnish or the can until you feel the acrylic ball inside flying freely. So when you don't feel any resistance in the shaking process, if you don't feel any resistance for the ball to fly around, that is when it's very well mixed. Okay. Now mine has a head like this. Okay. This spray head gonna make a vertical line if it stands like this, but you can turn it 90 degrees or whatever degrees you want, really. And now you're not gonna have a vertical spray pattern like this. You're gonna have a horizontal spray pattern like this, and that is what I need right now. So this is a dumb idea, but I don't care. That's a domino. Dummy, yes. No, we are not king shaming anyone. All right, that's enough. I'm gonna have it run here and there, but I will send it back nice and smooth. So it's fine. I'm gonna point the fan at the direction for it to dry nice and easy before it actually runs all over the place. There you go. Okay, I'm liking it. Anyway, gonna apply 2 more coats once it dries. Gonna repeat the same thing, and then we're gonna get onto the rope art. See you in a minute. All right, so I've done the varnishing, and I will do my very best to show you how I tie my slipknot adjustable necklaces. Okay, so here we go. I accidentally came up with this solution. It's basically how you tie a line to a fishing hook. That's exactly what I'm doing. So if this explanation doesn't make sense at all, please look up how to tie a fish hook to a line and imagine that the opposite end of your line is the fish hook itself. Okay? So let's say this is the fish hook. Oh no, let's say this is the fish hook. And I'm trying to tie. So I make a loop, and on the loop I make 1, 2, 3 spinnies, right? Like so. I really hope it's in the camera view. and then I just tighten it up a tiny bit. And there you go, I got my first tie. And if I pull on this guy, like so, I am able to adjust it. So it's basically, this is the hook, that's the line. Let me zoom out a little so that you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm so sorry. I haven't practiced this before, so that's it, right? So this is the hook itself, this line, and that's the knot, and it's a slip knot. All right, so the other one, you do 1, 2, and the third one, and then you try to pass it through the loop, like so, and then you tighten everything up a little bit, like so. Push it, pull, just pull on this that way, push on this way. You can do more hooks if you want. I do 2 or 3 and that's it. That's the necklace. Let me just zoom out a little bit more. So this is how you adjust. This is how you make an adjustable necklace, like so. And then you pull on this as well. And there you have it. Okay, now let me show you how all these things came out. We zoom in a little more, not that much. Okay, so this is one, which is number 2, just a square. This is number 3. I played with the knots here. This is number 4. Came out really nice. This is number 5. I tried to get a good shape on this. It's really neat. It's teal actually. It's not the color you see on the camera. It's a bit more tealy. The orange geode. And by far this is my favorite. This is a dual colored resin piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm like the count. Anyway, that's a Sesame Street joke. Nobody else forget. Anyway, I forgot how to count. So yeah, this is how I reuse some of my old resin, some of my offcuts, and I don't sell these at the web shop. But if you want one of these, 1 to 6, drop me an email to AeginaCraft@gmail.com quick. And yeah, just let me know which number you want, and I will respond back if I have it or not. You might get lucky and you might be able to get one, and we can negotiate the price. Whatever. Anyway, thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for supporting me on buymeacoffee.com and buying my stuff on my web shop at AeginaCraft.com. Thank you very much for basically everything you do for me. You are a real family, and I love you dearly. And remember, art is for everyone, and we help each other here. So if you have any questions or you need any help, drop it down in the comment section, and I or somebody else in the community will try to help you with it. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!